ABT presents A2 Level Conversations. Welcome aboard, a guide to thriving on the car assembly line. Vocabulary: assembly line, ergonomics, quality control, personal protective equipment, safety glasses, standard operating procedures, gloves, efficiency, footwear. Now that you have practiced the vocabulary and you make a picture in your mind, let's start. Characters: Mark, Chloe, Alex. Welcome aboard, a guide to thriving on the car assembly line.
Welcome, Alex and Chloe. I'm Mark, and I'll be your guide through the exciting world of motor assembly. Today, we'll cover everything you need to know to succeed on the production line. First, always pay close attention to the assembly line flow. It improves efficiency. Second, ask questions if anything is unclear. It reduces errors. Third, strictly adhere to the standard operating procedures for each motor assembly step. It minimizes risk of errors and accidents. Fourth, utilize the proper tools and equipment for each task. It prevents you injuries and improves accuracy. And finally, wear your personal protective equipment at all times. Safety glasses, gloves, and proper footwear are essential to protect yourself.
Wait, Mark. What if I need to use the restroom during my shift? Can I just take off my personal protective equipment and go?
Excellent question, Alex. Absolutely not. Always follow the proper procedure for the personal protective equipment removal and disposal to avoid contamination. We'll cover that in detail later.
And how do we know which are the standard operating procedures to follow for each step?
Great observation, Chloe. Each station will have clear visual instructions readily available. Don't hesitate to ask your team leader if you need further clarification. Now let's see what actions you need to have caution. Please observe here and tell me what you infer about this.
Well, I deduce that we cannot use that machine.
Exactly. Chloe, it is super important you remember, do not operate any machinery without proper training. Why do you think is this instruction, Alex?
I consider it is because our safety and the safety of others depend on it.
Exactly, Alex. Security is first. Now observing the next picture, what do you infer about it?
Oh, I see it is clear. Do not lift heavy objects.
Yes, Alex, but being more specific. Do not lift heavy objects without using proper lifting techniques. Now, Chloe, what can you tell me about the rule number 3?
It represents something about steps? I don't know. Probably don't miss the procedures order.
In essence, yes, it represents. Do not modify or bypass any safety procedures. Now let's observe this one. So Alex or Chloe, tell me what it represents.
Well, do not eat or
Drink anything. Because for that, there are designated areas.
Exactly. Now what about this last?
do not use a phone.
That's right. And this is because your job requires your full attention for safety. So that's it. To wrap up, do you have something to share with us as a conclusion?
Yes, I want to say that teamwork is key to the assembly line.
I agree with him, but I would like to ask that communication, cooperation, And a positive attitude will make us productive.
Excellent conclusions. Now, here are my last recommendations. Before you head to the production floor, please visit the HR office. There you'll receive your official ID, company uniform, and a copy of your employment contract. Feel free to ask them any questions about benefits or company policy.
Great.
Thank you,
Thank
Mark.
you, Mark.
You're very welcome. I'm confident you'll both be valuable assets to the team. See you on the production floor. Have a good day.
In the description section, you can find the link of the material for this audio. If you have any question, don't hesitate to ask. Leave your doubts in the comments. We're glad to help you. For extra material or tips, don't forget to visit our Instagram or our fan page on Facebook. That's all for today. If you enjoy it, give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more awesome content like this.